Most people think wealth starts with money. They're wrong. It starts with mindset. That's why I'm challenging you to the 30-day Millionaire Mindset Blueprint. In just 1 month, you'll learn how to rewire your brain to think, act, and make decisions like the wealthy, without grinding 18 hours a day or waiting for luck. This is the exact step-by-step system to shift you from scarcity to abundance, so you can stop chasing money and start attracting it. Welcome to the Wealth Shift TV, where we turn mindset into money and knowledge into generational wealth. Just give me 5 minutes of your time and I will help you unlock the simplest secret to building a millionaire mindset in just 30 days. This mindset will shift you from being broke to attracting millions and increasing your wealth within the next 30 days. Now let's dive in. Phase 1. The foundation. Day 1 to 7. Millionaires aren't built on luck. They're built on mindset foundations. Day 1. Define your why. Wealth without purpose is empty. Spend today writing down exactly why you want to become wealthy. Is it freedom, impact, security? Your why will fuel you when things get hard. Day 2. Audit your circle. Look at the 5 people you spend the most time with. Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? Millionaire thinking starts with surrounding yourself with growth-minded people. Day 3. Kill the scarcity mindset. Catch yourself every time you say, "I can't afford it." Replace it with, "How can I afford it?" This shifts your brain from limitation to possibility. Day 4. Identify and remove mental blocks. Write down your biggest fears about money, then challenge each one with facts. Example: investing is risky. Not investing is more risky over time. Day 5. Commit to lifelong learning. Choose one wealth-building skill to learn this month. Sales, investing, negotiation, or leadership. The millionaires are obsessive learners. Day 6. Design your ideal lifestyle. Before you chase millions, know exactly what your dream life looks like. Visual clarity attracts the right opportunities. Day 7. Gratitude and abundance practice. Spend 5 minutes daily listing what you're grateful for. This rewires your brain to see opportunities instead of obstacles. Phase 2. The habit shift. Day 8 to 15. Your habits decide your wealth trajectory. Day 8. Master your morning. Wake up early and start with 3 wins. Move your body, feed your mind, plan your day. Day 9. Track every dollar. You can't grow what you don't measure. For the next 30 days, track every single expense. Day 10. Automate good money habits. Set up automatic transfers to savings or investment accounts. Wealth grows quietly in the background. Day 11. Cut low-value activities. Identify time wasters, endless scrolling, gossip, aimless TV, and replace them with income or learning activities. Day 12. Practice daily visualization. Close your eyes and see yourself achieving your wealth goals. This programs your subconscious for success. Day 13. Build mental toughness. Do one hard thing daily. Make a tough call, skip comfort, push past fear. Resilience is a millionaire trait. Day 14. Guard your energy. Not all opportunities are worth it. Learn to say no to protect your time and focus. Day 15. Celebrate small wins, reward progress, no matter how small. This builds momentum. Phase 3. Strategic action. Day 16 to 23. Millionaires take smart, calculated steps, not random hustle. Day 16. Create multiple income streams. Brainstorm at least 3 ways to add new income. Side hustles, investments, digital products, consulting. Start small. Day 17. Learn the power of leverage time. Money, people, and technology are leverage tools. Millionaires rarely do everything themselves. Day 18. Build your personal brand. Your name is an asset. Show up online with value and credibility. Day 19. Become an opportunity magnet. Share your goals openly with the right people. Opportunity often comes through networks. Day 20. Upgrade your skills for high income. Focus on skills that have high demand and high pay, like sales, leadership, marketing, or investing. Day 21. Eliminate bad debt. Make a plan to kill high-interest debt. Millionaires use debt strategically, not emotionally. Day 22. Learn negotiation. Every great deal is negotiated. Read a book or take a course on negotiation. It will pay for itself forever. Day 23. Start investing, even small. Don't wait for the perfect amount. The earlier you start, the more compounding works for you. Phase 4. The Millionaire Mind. Day 24 to 30. Now you think differently, act differently, and attract differently. Day 24. Build systems, not just effort. Replace repetitive work with processes that run without you. Day 25. Focus on impact over income. Ironically, the more people you help, the more money you make. Day 26. Stay curious and adaptable. Markets change, tech changes, adapt, or get left behind. Day 27. Protect your assets. Learn about insurance, legal structures, and ways to secure your wealth. Day 28. Develop a long-term vision. Millionaires don't just plan for next month, they plan for 10 years. Day 29. Teach others. Share what you've learned. Teaching reinforces your own mastery. Day 30. Commit to the journey. Mindset transformation isn't a 30-day sprint. It's a lifelong habit. Here's your move. Take action today. Start from day 1. Stay committed for 30 days and see the difference in how you think, live, and earn. And if you're ready to grow with a community of winners, subscribe now. This is the Wealth Shift TV. Your wealth shift begins now.